Hi all, welcome to this video. This is the Hello World video for Elasticsearch. So what we are going to do is we are going to upload a document into Elasticsearch and we are going to do some search, right? As we know, Elasticsearch it's basically a search product, and then it works by using indexes. So now in this Hello World video, what we are going to do is we are going to download Elasticsearch. We're going to install it. So for example, now go to this URL. So I'll be sharing this entire set of steps in the description. So it's easy to follow through. So you can just go to this URL. You'll be able to download it and then just unzip it locally into your machine. Then the next important step is we need to set this environment property es_java_home. So this is basically useful in the sense that when you want to run Elasticsearch, it looks for this environment variable. So it points to this pre-bundled JDK environment and then it starts running. So that is this is an important step which you can follow. Next thing is we're going to look at the config file, the Elasticsearch YAML file. So now locally in my machine I have this YAML file. So what I have done is I have just uncommitted a few properties which I wanted to do some kind of customization. So I just set up the cluster name Hello World cluster, and my node name, for example, I can just put Hello World node. Fine. So this is the configuration file. It can be found under the config folder after you unzip. And now let's go ahead and start Elasticsearch, right? So now I have just opened up my command prompt, and then I'm going to run this command elasticsearch.bat. So this should start off Elasticsearch. So it's going to look for the JDK. So the JVM home is this, and then it starts off it's the initial kickoff sequence. So now the next thing is what we are going to do is we are just going to see whether your Elasticsearch is up and running or not. So for this we are going to see localhost 9200, and then we'll just go to this folder, this endpoint. So right now Elasticsearch is not yet up and running. Let's try again. It is still coming up. Yeah, so now it has come. So as I said, this is the name of the node which I configured, and then the cluster name Hello World cluster. So now we can see that Elasticsearch is up and running. What we are going to do is we are going to upload some documents to Elasticsearch. So first thing is we are going to download this mapping file. So this this document is about Shakespeare and the works of Shakespeare, and we are going to search for something within the content. So now I'll just show this mapping file. This is the metadata of the document. The bulk document is here. So it says within this index Shakespeare, what is the metadata, right? So what is the speaker, what is the play name, what is the line ID, and what's the speech number. So if you take each entry, so for example within this play Henry 4, this is the text entry. So for example the speaker is King Henry 4, and this is the text entry, right? So this is how the document is created, and we are going to upload it to the Elasticsearch. Now from this URL you can go ahead and download this using this command wget. Now what I'm going to do is I've already downloaded this, so I'll just run this command. This will basically create an index, and the name of the index is Shakespeare. So and I'm passing the mapping file, right? So let me go ahead and quickly run this command. So I'm I'm using this Mobax term so that I can run wget and all these commands, which is not supported by default in Windows. so I'm going to paste this command. So it has created an index. That's fine, that's good. Now the next thing is yeah, you can download the entire Shakespeare document. So I've already downloaded it, and now the next thing is we are going to upload this document to Elasticsearch, right? So now copy this and then let me just run it. So what it's going to do, it's going to upload this document to this index, under that index, right? So it takes a while because this document is huge. So imagine the entire works of Shakespeare, all the places. So important thing to note is the HTTP response status, which is 201. It means that it has successfully created, right? Now having uploaded the document and even the metadata to Elasticsearch, the next thing is we are going to search for a string. So this is the query. So the content type is application JSON. From this index I am searching for something, and then I expect a pretty print response, and this is the input, this is the my body. So within the body I'm basically passing this my query, which is the text entry is to be or not to be. So let's go ahead and just run this. Copy. Okay, let me clear this out and then paste this command. Fine, and let me run it. Okay, so now yes, so we have got a successful response. So it has found out from the play the Hamlet, and the speaker is Hamlet, and the text entry is to be or not to be. That is the question, right? So now what we have done so far is successfully we have run Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is up and running. We just checked whether it's running or not by going to this port. By default, this is the port 9200, and few things we customized in the Elasticsearch config file, the YAML file, and then we started it, and then we uploaded the metadata document, the mapping file, and then we also uploaded the main document to Elasticsearch under that index. We created that index Shakespeare, and after that we ran a query. We basically did a search. We searched for this phrase, and it returned us the successful response, the entire the structure, right, in the pretty format. So thank you for watching. Hope you got a taste of the basic hello world of Elasticsearch. Looking forward to uploading more videos on the same topic as I learn. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.